Kalpesh Patil was removed from the meeting. So is there Kalpesh Patil? Kalpesh Patil is there. Kalpesh Patil is there. Uh, Kalpesh Patil. No. Okay, let's start. Now today we will start with the different type of numerical, which is we have done this real type, then we have done point cloud with the external movement, then yesterday we have done with this UDL. Now today we'll be looking for uniformly varying load, the case of uniformly varying load. Okay. Hello. See, this is the case. This is the case. Hold a second. Hold a second. Yes.
दादा एक काम केलं असतं.
Try to understand the case and then we will look how to solve this. Okay. This is the case of uniformly varying load. So this is the triangle is representing your uniformly varying load. Now, as usual, we are following the steps, which is number one as a reaction calculation. So reaction calculation will be looking for reaction calculation. So this is point A, C, D, E, and B. So can anybody tell me what is the summation of f of y? Summation of f of y is equals to 0. So if summation of f of y is equals to 0, then tell me the equation for this. You just tell me for A, C, and B point. I'll tell you the variation in the DE section. Okay. So, Divya, can you? Divya Ahire,
So
please tell me.
plus RA
RA plus
minus 20
minus 20
plus RB.
plus RB. So here, whenever we are doing for the summation of Fi or moment calculation or force calculation, we are starting from the left end and we are moving slowly from one end to the another end. So this is first point, this is second point, and then we have to shift to this. So up to now, this is correct. So first point is RA as it is, 20 minus perfectly correct, and then third is again this is the UVL. So this is again going downward. So we have to take it as a minus of. Now, can anybody tell me how to calculate the intensity of UVL? Can anybody tell me how to calculate the intensity of UVL? In the beginning, I told you how to calculate intensity of UDL. Anybody? Area under the triangle is nothing but the intensity, and the intensity is calculated as area under the triangle. So it is half into how much length? It is meter into length, half into length into width is 40. It is the intensity. Only the force calculation. Half, it is a triangle. So area of triangle is half into length into width, half into length into width. Then again, RA minus 20 minus intensity, that is half into length into width. Again, plus RA. RB, sorry, is equals to 0. So once I do this calculation, so can anybody tell me RA plus RB is equals to how much? Minus 20 and it is 40, 60. Is it 80? Please take and tell me the answer. No? Please check and tell me the answer. Tell me. 80? Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir, right.
Good. Summation of f of x is equal to 0. Summation of fy. We have calculated RA plus RB now. The next term is summation of moment about A. So it is summation of moment about A. Can anybody try to tell me the summation of moment about A is equals to what? Can anybody tell me?
Summation of RB equal to 0.
Summation of RB equal to 0.
Moment about A equal to 0.
Okay. Summation of moment about A is equals to 0. Then tell me the equation. Then 0 equal to. Perfectly right. Then tell me the equation. Whatever the answer you have given is like this. Summation of fy is equals to 0. So I have written some equation and then from I withdraw one equation. Now summation of moment at A is equals to 0. Then tell me the equation for moment about A. Tell me. Divya, Sahil. Anyone?
20 into
20 into
2.
20 into 2. Okay, then तुम्ही आणलं का? अच्छा ते येणारच होतं.
सर टिफिन परत सांगितलं.
Hello. Am I audible? Am I audible? Divya, can you? Okay, 20 into 2. Okay. Now guys, let us check. Now here it is 20 kilonewton force is rotating in clockwise direction. So 20 into 2, perfectly right. Now we have to focus on this triangle. This is a UBL and in order to have an intensity calculation, we have to focus on its CG. So if you remember, I told you the location of CG. Location of CG, the location of CG is lies at 2/3 of length from this point. So let me draw one line that will make you very clear. 2/3. So this is 2/3 of length, and from this 1/3 of length. 1/3. So 2/3 of length means from minimum intensity, CG will lie at a 2/3 of length distance, and from maximum intensity it acts as a 1/3 of distance. My point is, this line will be located at 2/3 from D of length. So let us check. It is again a clockwise movement as it is moving downward. It is again a clockwise movement as it is acting downward. So what is the distance between this line and point A? That we have to focus. Okay. So what is the intensity of that triangle? The intensity of that complete triangle is half into length into width. So it is half into length. Length is 3 into width is 40. This is the intensity. Now this is the intensity. Now we have to focus on the distance. So how much distance? 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. And this is the next distance. So it is 2/3 of L. So I am writing here as a plus. Then I am going to give bracket 2/3 of length. Length is 3. I'm trying to. Okay. This is important as a part of separate load. Then this is also important as we are dealing in the UVL. Is this equation is clear to everyone, or shall I repeat? Is this equation is clear, or shall I repeat? Please give me reply in the chat box. Is that equation is clear to everybody, or shall I repeat? Because that is very important. We have seen point load, we have seen UDL, we have seen movement. Then it is a different type of the load, UVL. So is it clear to everyone, or shall I repeat? Please give me feedback in the chat box instantly. Saurabh, Sahil, Rushikesh, Pansare, Nutan, Nilesh, Lokesh, Krishna, Kalyani, and Golab, Divya, Dhananjay, Anjali Santa, Anjali Ahir, Akshay, Tonu, Sheetal Jagtap is not there. Okay, so most of the students are saying, Kalyani Chavani is saying repeat. Okay, look at the equation. I am repeating. Most of the students are saying clear for single. I am trying to repeat. Focus on this equation. This is clear to everybody. 20 into 2 is clear. I am focusing on this triangle. The intensity of triangle is nothing but area of triangle. So area of triangle is half into length into width. So half, this is the half into length is perimeter. So length into width, it is 40. Half into length into width. Okay. So into distance. So it acts as a distance in between this line to this line means this is the line of CG. CG to A. It is 2 plus 3. It is 2 plus 3 plus 3 by 3. So why this is 3 by 3? Because from the minimum intensity, from minimum intensity, it act at a distance of 2/3 of length. So it is 2 plus 3, and why 2/3 of L? Because the CG of that triangle or UVL is at a distance of 2/3 of minimum intensity. So I have put here 2/3 of length. Okay, I guess it is clear. Now the last parameter is remaining as a plus. Only RB is remaining. So RB, it is not plus. It means this is clockwise plus, this is clockwise, this is also plus as it is clockwise, and then minus RB, minus RB into how much RB? The distance is 2 plus 3 plus 3. It is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3 is a 8, 8 plus 4 is a 12. So it is 12. I'm writing here as a 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. From above equation, only RB is unknown. So can you tell me the answer for RB? Please tell me the answer for RB. Tell me the answer for RB. Betting for answer. Huh? Sahil Dangi, Sonu Sansare, Dhananjay, 40 Divya is saying 40. Please cross verify her answer. 40 Newton. So I guess this answer is wrong answer. Please check.
38.33.
38.33. Let me open the answer. Huh? Here the answer is 46 and one is a 34. The addition of both is 46 plus 34, 46 plus 4, 50 and 30, 80. Calculate. Here RB is 34. So तू काय आन्सर दिला आता बेटा?
38.
30.
38.33.
No. Let me do the calculations. Okay, 0 is equals to 2 into 2 is a 40 plus half into length is a 40. It is 60 plus. So here it is 2 plus 3. It is 5. It is into now. It is not plus. This is into. This is 2 plus 3 is a 5 and 2/3 into 3. It is 2 plus 3 plus 2. So it is 7. 2 plus 3 is a 5 and 2/3 of 3. 3 get cancelled, so 2. 2 plus 3 plus 2 is a 5, 7. Okay. Then minus how much RB? 4, 3, 6, 4, 10, 12, 12 RB. So RB 12 RB is equals to 40 plus 736 420 okay is equals to 40 means it is 460, then 460 divided by RB it is 60 divided by 12. It is 38.33. So it is RB is equals to 38.33. Let me check, because here are some different answer and whatever we have calculated is different. Let me check. So this is RA 20 into 2. Compare our equations. 20 into 2 is the right. 20 into 2 is right. Then 60 into 5. 60 into 5. 60 into 5. 20 into 2 is the correct. 60 means it is 60 into 7. 5 na? 2 plus, okay, 2 plus 3 plus 2. Okay, here it is 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 into 2/3 of length. So 2/3 of length means it should be 2 na. So our answer is correct. Their answer is wrong because it should be 2/3 of length. So 3 get cancelled, so it remains 2. 2 plus 3 is a 5. 5 plus 2 is a 7. So our answer is correct. This is the right answer. The answers mentioned over here is the wrong answer. It should not be like this. It is 20. This is correct. But this 16 to 5 it is not possible because it is half into length into width. So half means half into length into width. It is 120 by 120 by 120 by 2 is a 60, and it acts as a distance. 120 by 2 is a 60, so it is 60. So right now whenever it is force, and if we are talking about distance, so distance is from this dotted line till the end. So 2 plus is a 5, but from this to this it is not considered. So we have to focus on that 2. 2 plus 3 is a 5 plus 2 7. So whatever the calculation here it is wrong. We have to go with this calculation. So 38.33 is the right answer. So if it is 33.33, if it is 33.33, then RA is equals to how much? Please tell me the answer.
And 41.67.
Okay, very good. My intention is everybody has to make a calculation. Everybody has to make a calculation because the answer given in the book and the answer इथे बोलूं का ना? The answer given in the book and whatever the calculation done by us is different. So my point is everybody has to do the calculation so that you are become having a very clear cut idea regarding the calculation. So you have to be focused on the calculations and every point should be clear for you. Okay. So hey, connection lost. काय तुमचं पण गेलं का? अरे काय झालं? हॅलो
Yes, sir.
कनेक्शन लॉस झालं होतं. तुम्हाला करायचं काय, आत्ता आपण जे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स केलेत, आपण जे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स काढलेत, हे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आणि जे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आधीचे होते यामध्ये फरक आहे. बघा, हे कॅल्क्युलेशन जे बुकचे कॅल्क्युलेशन्स आहेत, या दोन्ही कॅल्क्युलेशन्स मध्ये फरक येतोय. याचा अर्थ असा की बुक्स मध्ये दिलेलं प्रत्येक न्यूमेरिकल सोल्युशन बरोबरच असेल असं नाही. त्यामुळे प्रत्येकाला कॅल्क्युलेशन्स करावे लागतील. ठीक आहे. So we come to Everybody has to do the calculation. That's it. Okay. Next. So आपण काढलाय RA आणि RB calculate केलाय. Then the next point is reaction calculation. Reaction calculation, then SF calculation. Okay. SF calculation. Copy. Who will help me with this? SF, left of A, SF, right of A, and CDE team chart. A, then C, then D, and E. And the last is B. So it should be 0 and it should be 0. Now as R and RB is different, so answers will be the different. Huh? So answers for A left to the A is a 0. So can you tell me right to the A is a RA is equals to RA, how much it is? RA is equals to 38.41.67 Newton. So left of the C the same 41.67 Newton, and right of the C is a 41.67 minus 20. It is equals to 21.67. Then left of the D the same. It is 21.67. Left of the D 27.7 as it. Then right of the D it is same 21.67 Newton. Now left of the D, left of the E, left of the D is 21.67 minus half into 3 into 40. It is 60 minus 21.67. So it is 60 minus 21.67. So it is 38.33 Newton. 38.33 Newton. Then right of the E, it is the same 38.33 Newton. Left of the B is 38.33 Newton, and lastly 38.33 plus, here it is minus, huh? Minus, then it is also minus plus 38.33 is equals to 0. As our LHS is equals to as our left hand side of shear force at A and right hand side force at A are 0 in that case, or whatever the calculations we have done is perfectly right. This is the SF calculation. So I guess reaction calculation is clear to everybody and shear force calculation is clear to everybody. If it is clear, then just give me an instant reply in the chat box. Clear. Very good. Nutan Katsur, Rishikesh, okay, very good. Now I guess the confidence of each one of you is very high. So as you are giving the quick fast reply, clear to everybody. Very good. Clear. Very good. So nice. So now moving towards for reaction calculation. Reaction is sorry, moment calculation. Moment calculation. Moment calculation. Moment calculations. Who will help me with this? I will help you with this. Moment at A is equals to moment at B is equals to how much?
0.
Very good, perfectly correct. Moment at C. RA into
2 into 20.
R into distance
2.
2. Very good. It is so 41.67 into 2. Whatever the term answer is, it is Newton meter is the answer. Everybody has to calculate this. Then moment at B. Moment at B. Who will tell me this answer? RM. RM is 41.67 into how much? Moment at B. A to D distance. How much? How much?
5.
Perfectly correct. Then this is clockwise. Now minus 20 into how much? CD distance. How much?
3.
3.
Perfectly correct. Then moment at D is done. You have to calculate the answer and tell me the answer. Okay. Moment at D, moment at E is equals to 41.67 into how much?
8.
Or 8 na? 2, 5 and 3. 8. Perfectly correct. Minus 20 into how much?
6.
Perfectly correct. Now again minus. Tell me the answer. Intensity. How much intensity?
1/2 to the length.
Very good. 1/2 into length into width into how much? Look at the distance. How much? 1/3 of length. 1/3 of length. So 1/3 of length means 3. Look at there. Sometimes I'm taking 2/3 and sometimes I'm taking 1/3. So why I'm taking this? Focus on that. See over here. This is a triangle, and the CG of that triangle or this line, the force of action of force is at a distance of 2/3 of length from 0 intensity and 1/3 from the maximum intensity. So right now I have to focus on the intensity and this distance. Okay. So distance is this 1/3. So I have taken here 1/3 of length. Okay. So this is the magnitude of whatever the magnitude comes, it is Newton meter is the answer. So everybody has to make this calculation. So can you tell me the answer for moment at C? How much it is? 41.2, 41.67 into 2, it is 83, 34, perfectly correct. So then next answer is 41.67 into 5 minus of 60. So it is 148.35.
148.35.
Perfectly correct. And the last answer is 41.67 into 8 minus 20 into 6 minus 60 into 1/3 of this minus of 60 into 1/3 of 1/3 means 1. It is 1/3 of 3 means 1 na? So it is as usual 60 minus of 60. So it is 153.36 Newton meter is the answer. So we have to draw accordingly. All terms are positive and all terms over here, whatever we have calculated over here, we have to plot this. From this values, we have to plot SFN bending moment diagram. So this is the task for you. For this is right now it is 12:20. I have to go for the meeting at 12:25. Now it is the calculation for you. I'll be sharing this video with you. The task for you is you have all the moment, you have all the reaction calculations, SF calculation, the moment calculation, and the task for you is you have to draw SFN bending moment diagram. And if there is any presence of point of contraflexure, I'll be giving the solution for that. But you try to draw the shear force and bending moment diagram for that. If anybody is having any doubt query for shear force calculation and moment calculation, please ask me. 153.36. Okay, very good. Everybody is very actively doing the calculation, so I am feeling very good. Okay, very good. 83.3, 153. Everybody is very active now. 153.30. Okay, very good. Everybody is doing calculation very good. So please, is anybody is having any doubt, query? Please ask me. And the target for you is to draw shear force and bending moment diagram. Okay. Hello, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so can you draw shear force and bending moment diagram? Can you draw shear force and bending moment diagram? Yes or no? Nutan Katswe, Rushikesh Ahir, Saurabh Devre, Divya Aire, very good. Try to do this by yourselves. Right now I have to go for the meeting 12:25. Tomorrow's session I'll be repeating this numerical and we'll draw SFD bending moment diagram. And then if any doubt is having somebody, then I'll be try to solve this doubt. Okay. Thank you so much for attending the lecture. Have a good day. Have a great day.